Alright, what is up guys? So today we have a little app review, or not really review, just like a little first time playthrough, right? So I was on Instagram and I saw this app, Evangelion. Evangelion is like one of my favorite animes of all time. If you are into anime, if you like anime or anything like that, you've probably heard of it. It's probably one of your favorite animes too, or you probably even hate it. There are people who completely hate the anime, but anyway, Evangelion, I like it a lot, so I'm like, I'll give it a try out. So we're just gonna kind of go through it, go through a couple missions and stuff like that, a couple story missions. I have played a couple of them, just a tutorial and stuff like that, just to kind of see what I'm getting myself into. But yeah, you basically kind of pick your Ava. You pick, let me see if I can go back. You pick who you want to play as. I haven't figured out how to play as different people, right? So the children, I tried to unlock this girl and I thought I unlocked her because I thought I bought her. Like, it took my money, but it didn't give me the character, so I don't really know what's going on here. We need to talk to somebody about that. And I wanted to get my girl Asuka, probably my favorite character in the series, but couldn't get her. I don't really like Shinji, man. Shinji, he whines too much, man. I don't like him as a character. So I don't really care about playing with him, so I do like my girl Rei Ayanami though, and I do like Asuka, so we gon' try to see if we can get us some Asuka, maybe in this playthrough. But again, I'm just testing this app out, just kind of see if I like it or not. If you all like it, let me know. I'll do more videos on it. I'll learn more about the app, and then I can kind of help you all out with that and everything. If you know anything about the app, how to play it and stuff like that, please let me know. Again, this is more or less my first time playing through it. The only thing I played through was the tutorial modes. So yeah, let's go. We're just gonna hit attack, and basically, as you will see once we get into this app, it's kind of like a little side-scrolling beat 'em up. Alright, sorry about that. I kind of got a text and I kind of said some things I shouldn't say because I thought I put my phone on do not disturb mode, but I guess I didn't. But anyway, again, like I was saying before, I'm not sure if you all have played Gun Gal. I'm not even sure if I'm saying that right, but it's kind of like that. I think that's how you say it, Gun Gal. I've played it a couple times, but basically a side-scrolling beat 'em up. Basically, you kind of run through this little mission, and at the end you get to a boss and you fight the boss and you beat the boss, or you try to beat the boss, right? So we gonna deal with this. And there's like all of these different little, I guess special moves or whatever. And I want to, maybe every Ava we're gonna see has their own special moves. So right now, like, he kind of attacks with this little knife or whatever. And then we have this right here, which is like a super attack or whatever. And then we also have this gun. And then we got this right here. I'm gonna show you. Alright, I'm gonna show him. I forget what they call this in the anime, but I haven't seen the anime in so long. But anyway, after, before and after, missions and stuff like that, there's like this little synopsis and stuff like that, kind of these little cut screens, right? I never pay attention to these right here because in mobile games, I don't really care about the story. That's just me. I just kind of play them to pass the time, right? So yeah, you get your awards and stuff like that. Honestly, I think it's pretty cool. I like it. Let's see. New features unlocked. What do we got here? Oh, armor. All right. Oh, that's really cool. Tap the armor. We can upgrade our armor, which is really cool. All right. Go back. Oh, we are not out of the tutorial stage yet. I thought we were. We're not. All right. Yeah, because like this game is weird, man. Like, you have to. The game kind of like holds your hand in the beginning so much, man. You have to like do all of these little different tutorial stages. Maybe after we get through with this one here. I'm not supposed to stand in those, are am I? Alright. Sorry if I'm not talking a lot. I'm trying to concentrate. Gotta beat these angels. What y'all want from me? Catch these hands, son. And then if you notice, right at the top left is your health, and then at the top right is going to be your enemy's health, right? And then again at the bottom right you got, you know, what is that? Oh, that was a cutscene. You got like all of the special moves and stuff like that. Bam. I like to use this because it takes care of a lot of them at the same time. Bam, 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 bam. Alright, cool. Take care of all of this right here. Y'all don't want none. Alright. Another victory. Okay, so I'm not sure what these things are here. The pass the dungeon remaining 80% health. Let me see. Remaining time is more than okay, so there's a time limit. I didn't even know there was a time limit on the missions. That's crazy. I mean, that's pretty cool though, you know. Anyway, I guess these are just like different tasks you have to do throughout the missions. Alright, upgrade. What are we doing now? Okay. I collect so many angels, data, blah, armor, completely in advance. Once the armor has enough materials and angel's data, it'll keep growing. Okay. What do we do here? Alright. Okay, so I guess the more fights I get and the more stuff I get, I can further upgrade my armor. Nice. Alright. Okay. I probably should be reading all of this, but I'm not. Alright, and then we can't do anything else but click what she tells us to click. Alright. Oh god, let me see. 3-star clearance is required. Okay, there we go. So when you look at this little screen right here, right at the top left, you'll see the 3-star requirements. So I guess you have to get all 3 stars before you can do a blitz. And we're gonna find out what a blitz is in a second because I got all 3 stars in the last one. So let's go here and attack. Cool. The graphics in this game look really nice. I wonder if there's different stages, you know? Like different design stages. That'd be pretty cool. I mean, it probably is, you know. Damn. Alright, wave 2 out of 4. So we got 4 waves on this right here. Let's take care of all of these. Get some. There you are. There we go. Share a little combo. Damn. And that little combo, called it the Rock'em Sock'em. No, I don't. Alright. Let's go here and take care of these again. I really like this little Gatling gun. Alright. Ah, fuck. Okay, all 3 stars again, so we can do a blitz on this one. Let me see. New features unlocked. What is this? Alright. Select Mecha Res. Buy 10 more to get it. Okay, this is interesting. What does this do? Oh, wait. Oh, that's nice. Okay, it's an N, so I'm guessing N stands for normal, and it's a 1 star. So maybe that's not that good, but okay. Let me see. I don't have enough for that. So maybe this is the summoning stage, right? Okay, nice, nice. All right. This is the summoning stage, so it basically kind of tells you, you know, what they have. Oh, that's cool. That's really dope. Alright, alright. Alright, cool. Let's do a free summon right here. Another free summon. The only reason I play these gacha games is because I got summons, you know. I want me some summons. Alright. And this is how you buy currency and stuff like that. I'm not gonna buy anything today. I mean, I could probably spend it. No, I can't. I'm not gonna do that. What else we got? Special. Limit. Not enough, not enough, not enough. Mecha. Okay, so this is how you change your mechas. Nice. Alright. I was trying to figure out how you do that. Let's go back. Now we're gonna see the different attacks this one has. If there are any different ones, right? We're gonna skip that. And we got a okay, we got a shield and everything. Nice. Oh, that's dope. Alright. I hope we get to fight a boss in this one. Alright, what this looks like. Nice, nice. Okay. Oh, that's lit. He's like lugging that big ass fucking shield around. That's dope. Wonder what the super move is. There we go. Get back. Alright. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. Okay. That was a little unfair right there. I just completely destroyed everything. That was a little OP. Okay, we're gonna claim that. We gonna get that. Them upgrades right there. I like me some upgrades. Alright. I like stones too, but they don't really give you any free stones here. What we gonna upgrade? We're gonna upgrade that. We're gonna just keep hitting the upgrade button. We're gonna do something like that. Bam. I can't do anything like that. Nice. Alright, cool. What else can we do? Talent. I honestly don't know what this does right here. I just keep on hitting the upgrade button because I feel like it's a good thing to do. And where else are we? We got some rewards. Claim those. Do we have anything else? Claim that. I think we good on this. So let's go back to this and see if we can blitz this. Oh, nice. Okay, so this is basically just does it for you, and you kind of get different Oh, nice. Okay. Alright, this is probably gonna be the last one we're gonna do. Oh wait, what's that? Tap auto fight to activate dummy system. Okay, so it fights for you. Okay, that's nice. That's neat. Alright, so you're just gonna stand in that and get and take damage. Okay, alright. You'll be failed if you can. Oh, no, we gonna fight. I wouldn't have used that. Okay. I don't want to do the dummy system anymore. Alright. Bam. Alright. Alright, so that was Evangelion, alright? Overall, I like it. I'm most likely going to continue playing it. But again, thank you for watching. If you want to see more content like this, please let me know down in the comments. Subscribe for more. And have a very nice day.